Well, hey everybody. Today is Thursday, June 13th, 2019. I'm going to go down to A&R Salvage and see if I can't buy a sign. You may have guessed by the choice of vehicle and size of trailer, it is not a, well, comparatively to my other signs, is not a huge one. It's probably a medium-ish, small to medium size sign. It's all relative, of course. But let's head on down there, see if we can't make a deal. Here we go. All right, I bought it. Got it all loaded up and strapped down. We're ready for the trip home. Check out this one they got down the hill here. It's a bit of a beast. Yeah, it's like 20 feet tall by 20 feet wide. Probably weighs like 1.5 tons. Put that one on the maybe list. Yeah, anyway, we'll get that other one back to the shop. All right, and I got off the trailer on a couple dollies so we can move it around the shop easily. Anyway, that's about it for this one. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Neon Rescue. I just love saving these signs. Hit subscribe for updates on the restoration process and to see other neon related videos. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.